The function and working principle of light magnesium oxide ball press. Light magnesium oxide ball pressing machine can be powder light magnesium oxide powder, forced extrusion by the ball pressing machine. After forming, let related industries use. Light magnesium oxide powder ball pressing machine, energy saving and environmental protection. Easy to transport, improve the utilization rate of waste. With good economic and social benefits, the screw feeding device of light magnesium oxide ball press is driven by electromagnetic speed regulating motor, rotated by belt wheel and worm reducer, and the pressed material is forced into the main feed port. Due to the constant moment characteristics of the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, when the amount of press of the screw feeder is equal to the amount of material required by the host, constant feeding pressure can be maintained so that pellet quality is stable. If the feeding amount is too large, the current of the feeding device is overloaded. If the feeding amount is too small, the ball will not be formed. Therefore, skilled operation skills are an important condition to ensure the normal operation of light magnesium oxide ball press.